Hi families, it's Miss Mackenzie from the CYP for a Family Fun Friday activity. And today we're going to show our love for the moms out there since Mother's Day is coming up with a cute and simple Mother's Day card that you can make easily at home. All you're going to need is paint brushes, and a piece of paper. I also recommend having a wet paper towel nearby for easy cleanup since they will be using their hands to paint. So I already have my green handprint, and that's going to be the flower stems. And now you can ask your child to place their finger in the yellow, and they're going to make a dot at the top of each stem for the middle of the flowers. Okay, now your child's going to use the same technique, but they're just going to make the petals around each yellow dot. And that's it, a really easy and really cute handprint card for the moms out there. And thank you so much for all that you do. We really appreciate it. We all hope you have a great week from the CYP. Bye.